I'm Justin Carlisle. I'm the chef owner of Ardent, Red Light Ramen, and the Laughing Taco. For us, whether it's a large stockpot burner induction or the smaller induction burners, and being able to utilize that in our spaces, because we are all induction, we are all electric. You know, there's a sense of some people will look at gas and, you know, it's a persona that you see this flame and it's burning onto a pot or a pan, but the reality of it before that heat absorbs into the pan is that it takes this amount of time for that to heat up. To me, with an induction, that it's extremely faster. And the precision on them, you know, on both sides of it. How fast that the heat will come up, so how fast that we can saute something or sear something. But then we'll turn around and for, you know, especially our broths that are going 30 hours or 26 hours or 18 hours, depending on what we're doing, that we can set it and it's gonna be okay and we know that it's gonna stay at that temperature. All of our stocks are going all the time. We're literally having inductions running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all year long. Having those technology has allowed us to do endless things and in spaces that we wouldn't be able to do without it. We're fortunate enough to be able to test the new induction burner, the larger induction burner for our stocks and everything in ramen. The engineers would come out, go through step by step with us, learning this together. It was pretty wonderful to see their processes and how they went through their testing modes and everything else, but be able to understand exactly what we were saying and going through and the issues that positive and negative that we were having during these testing times. It was extremely wonderful for us and be able to see that and work with that together. All of it's been outstanding. It's easier to read, it's easier to do temps, it's easier to switch controls. These are very crucial equipment to us and they are, you know, our backbone of our restaurant. Menu of 17 items and we'll do that for 30 people a night. So we're talking about being able to process that and doing, you know, 300 and some dishes to 400 and some dishes a night in a 900 square foot space. So it's extremely crucial that we have these.